Pushpa Shankar Raman. I have known Mr. Shankar Raman since the time I was doing my MBBS. He is wheelchair bound, but he can belittle anybody because he's unrestricted. He doesn't consider the wheelchair as a disability. He considers it as an ability and privilege to be looked after. Yes, he's looked after, but he looks after many more. And there's a beautiful lady, Pushpa, who entered his life to be his wife and his support. Her selfless love and dedication for the Valley of the Specially Determined, Amar Seva Sangam, an institute that actually made me who I am. I would like to present Pushpa. Pushpa never likes to take the credit, and I'm promising Pushpa, I'm not giving you the credit. I'm just showing the journey which you help and inspire. You know, that was Pushpa's request to me that if I'm featuring her, she will not come. But if I feature her team, she would be with me. And yes, that's Pushpa, whom I love, selfless and devoted.
Namaskaram to all. I am Mrs. Ramani Shankar Raman. I am from Amar Seva Sangam. Amar Seva Sangam is a non-profit organization in the field of providing rehabilitation services to all physically and intellectually challenged citizens. It is founded and run by professionals. Both Mr. Ramakrishnan, founder president, and Mr. Shankar Raman, honorary secretary, are wheelchair users. Our mission is to empower the physically challenged and intellectually challenged citizens, developing models for self-help initiatives in order to lead their life in a respectable manner. In the meantime, we motivate our society to create an enabling environment so that we can tap their talent and potentials for the society's own development. We have 32-acre campus with the atmosphere of social forest. We run various programs for different age groups with an inclusive concept. Particularly, we have residential care program for physically and intellectually challenged children and youth, community-based programs in and around villages, special post-acute care unit for spinal injured persons. All over India, people are coming and getting rehabilitation services here.
Amar Seva Sangam shows the world. You're the sun, you're the one, you're the future. Amar Seva Sangam show the world. I'm the sun, I'm the one, I'm the future. Amar Seva Sangam shows the world. You're the sun, you're the one, you're the future. Amar Seva Sangam shows the world. I'm the sun, I'm the one, I'm the future. Amar Seva Sangam.
In the year 1997, I fortunately saw my husband in a TV program. I got inspired about his professional qualifications and his desire to bring changes in the lives of differently abled children and youth. He only sees disability as a condition, nothing more than that. I decided to join my hands for his noble cause. After getting consent of both the families, we got married on 1999. I started to volunteer Amar Seva Sangam. Until date, I feel very happy for the gift of this big Amar Seva family. I am so excited to see the growth brick by brick and inch by inch. The untiring efforts of my husband towards his noble mission and dream of our founder have brought the smiles in the lives of all our service users. I personally believe honesty and transparency will always throw a light of a divine grace in all our efforts. In this pandemic situation, few of our women employees who are all having family extended their helping hand to create safe and healthy environment here. Our staff nurse Panirselvi and her team has taken care of medical and caregiving needs and supervising hygienic practices here. our kitchen cooking master Muthuselvi, who is also a physically challenged, specially organized healthy diet to everyone. Our cosmetic assistant Muthuselvi and team helped us a lot to maintain the cleanliness in the campus, though we had limited employees at that time. We are all ordinary women, but everyone have capacity to deal with every difficult situation. Even they compromised Diwali and Sankranti celebrations with their family this year. We all congratulate each other for performing our duties correctly, though we have different profession and different roles in an organization and in a family. In the meantime, we never compromise our own happiness and self-satisfaction in our lives. Seeing is believing. I invite all of you to visit our organization and bless our efforts. In this 10th year anniversary of Pink Trust Foundation, we record our heart full of appreciation to the founder Dr. Aarti and her team. Our Amarseva family also wishing them all the very best in continuing their inspiring services successfully for the upcoming decades and spreading love to this beautiful world. We all pray God to bless all our dreams come true. Thank you.
Thank you, Pushpa. It means a lot to me. What I am today is a foundation that was laid in my heart by my two brothers, Ramkrishna Anna and Shankar Anna. Please visit them and see what a beautiful world it is. Selfless, joyous, confident, and yet helping others. From where? A wheelchair. If my brothers could do it, why couldn't I? And that's where we have Trust in Pink Foundation. Thank you, both of you, for being my mentors, for being ideals to believing in loving and serving and enjoying, of course. By the way, Shankar Anna has a very good sense of humor, okay? It can beat any one of you.